Hello and welcome. This is the English podcast for beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely. I am here to help you learn and feel good. Today, we talk about the morning. We talk about how the first part of your day can make your whole day much better. We call this starting method your morning routine. Do you feel busy sometimes? Do you jump straight out of bed and feel rushed? Maybe you want more peace and more focus in your day. Stay with me today. Let us discover this quiet magic of the morning together. We will use simple English to understand a big idea. Let us first think about the word routine. A routine is simply a list of small things you do every day. Maybe you brush your teeth. Maybe you drink water. Maybe you listen to some calm music. These are small actions. But when we do these small actions in the morning, they become very important. The morning routine is the first big choice you make. It is your way of saying, I want my day to be good. Think about the importance of the start time. When you start your day well, the whole day feels smooth. When you start with rush and hurry, the whole day often feels like a rush. The morning is not just for leaving the bed. The morning is for preparing. It is for preparing your mind and your body for the tasks ahead. The main magic of a morning routine is control. Think about control. We cannot control everything in the world outside our house. We cannot control the news. We cannot control the traffic. But we can control our morning. This feeling of control is powerful. When you follow your morning routine, you tell yourself, I am in charge of this time. I choose how I start. This helps you feel strong. It creates a calm feeling inside you. A good morning routine helps you focus. Maybe your routine includes 10 minutes of quiet time, just 10 minutes of silence. Silence before you check your phone. Silence before the noisy world starts talking to you. This quiet time is very important. It helps your mind rest and prepare. Or maybe you spend 5 minutes making a small plan. You write down 3 things you must do today. This small step gives your day a big focus. You now know what is important. We use the morning routine to choose our feeling. Do you choose to be calm? Do you choose to have more energy? Do you choose to have a clear focus? The morning routine lets you choose these things before the day chooses for you. Now, please remember this. Your morning routine does not need to be long. We are beginners here, learning simple and useful English, and we should also be beginners when creating our routines. Maybe your routine is just 15 minutes. Maybe it is only 2 small actions. It does not matter how big the routine is. What matters is that you do it. Consistency is the key. Small actions lead to a big result. When you start your day well, the good feeling continues. This feeling moves from the morning into the afternoon. It's like pushing the first small domino. You push the first piece carefully, and then all the other pieces for the rest of the day start to fall correctly. When we use our morning time with purpose, we teach our brain to be ready. We teach our brain to be strong. We simply repeat the simple action and we get the big positive result. This is the goal of the morning routine. So, let's look at the morning one last time. The morning routine is your special tool. It gives you control and it gives you focus. Do not just rush into the day. Start your day with intention and with purpose. Tomorrow morning, try just one small thing. Try one small, useful action that starts your day right. Maybe drink a full glass of water. Maybe write down one goal. Choose to start slow. Thank you for listening to English Podcast for Beginners. We hope this simple English lesson was useful for you. Remember this sentence: take care of your mornings and they will take care of your days. Have a wonderful, peaceful day, and we will talk again very soon. Goodbye for now.